Welcome to Helpful Solutions. In this video, we will discuss how to add Black OPS 6 to NVIDIA. Let's dive in. The first step is to install GeForce Experience. Download and install NVIDIA GeForce Experience from NVIDIA's official website. Step 2. Launch GeForce Experience. Open the application after installation. Step 3. Add the game. Click the Games tab. Select Scan for games to automatically detect installed games. If Black OPS 6 is not listed, click Add and then open Add a Game. Navigate to the game's installation directly. Select the executable file and click Open. Step 4. Optimize game settings. After adding, click on Black OPS 6 in your game library within GeForce Experience. Click Optimize to apply recommended settings for optimal performance. Note, some users have reported issues with GeForce Experience not recognizing Black OPS 6. In such cases, consider reinstalling GeForce Experience or using the NVIDIA App Beta as an alternative. And there you have it. If you found my video helpful, please like, share and subscribe to my channel for more practical tips. Thanks for watching.